Uses of plants. Plants are very important and useful to us. They give us many things. Oxygen. Plants and trees give us oxygen to breathe. We eat different parts of the plants. Roots, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits and vegetables. Food grains, cereals, pulses. Trees give us shade. Trees provide shelter to birds, as they make nest on branches of tree, and animals like monkeys and squirrels. Trees like shasham, sal and teak gives us wood. With this wood we make furnitures like bed, table, chair, doors and windows. Oil. We get oil from plants as well. Seed of plants like coconut, mustard and sunflower are used for cooking and for nourishment of hair. Spices. We get spices from plants like cardamom, black pepper and cinnamon. We get perfumes from flowers like jasmine, rose and lily. Medicines. We get medicines from plants like neem, basil, mint and amla. Fibers. We get cotton and jute from plants as fibers. Rubber. Rubber is used for making tires, eraser. We need wood for cooking and to keep ourselves warm during winter by burning.